Man, I got this swag. My head up to my bag. You know I'm popping tag. But man, I got this swag.
Hey guys, welcome back to the Luxury Club channel. And guess what? I'm back with another video. So today I went to Publix and I decided to purchase cotton candy grapes. So today I decided to do a little tester video. So basically I will have Stacy and Kathy try these cotton candy grapes along with me. These are the first time we're ever trying these grapes, by the way. And we're gonna give you guys our review on what we think and how do we like it. So stay tuned. So technically I'm about to put these to the test. So not only am I going to try them, but Kathy and Stacey are going to try them. So Stacey?
Andie's trying to make me eat cotton candy grapes.
Did you have to smell them?
You know, I had to smell it because it actually does smell like cotton candy. You know, it feels a little soft like cotton candy too. You know, it's a little mushy. You know,
it is mushy.
It's not as hard as regular grapes. So let's see how this tastes actually. Oh, come on, it's not washed. So we're not gonna die. So well, I mean, we're gonna die one day, but not today. So wow.
Whoa.
Tastes really good.
This wig over here.
It's really, really good.
What does it taste like?
Tastes like candy that's cotton. You know,
Candy
grapes.
That's cotton?
Less cotton. You know, minus the cotton, but more candy. A little soft. You know, it's like a fragrance type of, you know, feeling in your mouth. You know, when you smell a perfume, you can taste it. That's what it's like.
Okay.
I don't think perfume tastes kind of good at all, actually.
No, like, you know when you smell something and you can taste it in your mouth? Like, that's what it's like. It's actually really good, so I think I'm going to put some back.
Like, no. What's going on here? I'm going to do you the honors. So what do you think so far about you trying these grapes? Like, what are you expecting?
It smells like cotton candy, but I'm scared, honestly.
Why are you scared, Kathy?
Because, like, what type of freaking chemicals y'all put in this thing to make it cotton candy grapes?
Oh my God.
Cultivation, durable, sans GMO. What is sans GMO?
It says non-GMO.
GMO.
Sans? Oh, this is French. Sans. Sans GMO.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. They're actually grown in California. 3rd generation California grape owner.
So if this is a California grape owner, why is this written in French? Like,
well,
so they're trying to make it sound foreign?
I guess that's what they're trying to do, so it won't be boring.
Okay, I'm going to need you guys to show us how do you guys infuse cotton candy inside of grapes. I'm going to do this for Andie because it's not natural. Cotton candy.
You smell your food too?
No, I don't. This, I'm smelling.
Oh my gosh. Oh yeah.
And I want to see the middle.
Oh my, okay, yes, it's seedless. We get the point.
Fruits are supposed to have seed.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they got some little fake seeds in here.
You literally have
Look
to
at
do
that.
the
They ain't
anatomy.
even real grape seeds. Like, what is this, yo?
Wait,
Okay.
you have to do the whole anatomy of the grape first before you tried it?
Yes.
Okay.
I think this was a female. Okay, hold on.
What do you think?
It's a tad bit tart. So for those of you who don't know what tart means, it's the same as eating cranberries. So it's a tad bit tart. And it's sweet and it tastes like cotton candy. But it's scary because grapes are not supposed to taste like cotton candy. So that's the scary part of it. But other than that, it tastes good and it's really, really juicy. So yeah. So
Okay.
Going for a second one.
Look, now she going. Can you believe she's about to go for a second one? After she done said that these grapes are fake and phony. So go ahead and try these grapes and see how you like it.
No.
Kathy!
Say iMovie.
Oh yeah, that's what I mean.
Yeah, 2020.
Wow, it actually tastes like cotton candy.
For real?
And grapes at the same time. Wow. I want another one.
Wow.
I must say. It tastes gum.
Let Sabrina try them. See what she
I want
thinks.
another one.
What?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Look, it fell her titty. Oh.
Another one. Another one.
Ah! Watch out! Where you came from?
Where you bought these from?
Publix.
Oh hell yeah. Publix got the good stuff.
Your stomach look like the cotton
Y'all
candy.
making a
You know what? That's how I sucked it in.
I was talking about Brina. So I'm going to go ahead and try these grapes and see what the hype is all about. Okay. Let's see. Let me breathe out the bag. I like to pick the hard ones. Like, this is too squishy. Ooh, this is hard. Let's see.
So Stacey, what we gonna do?
It tastes so good. Whoa. It's like a burst of cotton candy in your mouth. Overall, this gets a 5. Listen, we're going to sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. We're going to sit here and eat grapes while we work and do what we got to do. Kathy, what are you eating? Okay, the ones that you say you did not like.
Is it against the law? Is that problem?
Look at this here.
You know when you want to taste the last forever in your mouth?
Like when you first, it's like that. It's like the best part.
Guys, I just had to take the time out to kind of give you guys an insight on what I think about these grapes. And guys, they're phenomenal. So you guys go check them out. Go get them at your nearest Publix. And they are amazing. They're expensive, but they're worth it. They taste so good. Oh my God. So good. But anyways, guys, if you like this video and you guys want more videos of me trying different things, doing different things, go ahead and comment below. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. And don't forget to like and put a comment. Also, turn on your post notifications for any other videos that I have coming out. Thank you guys for watching. I love you.
Man, I got this swag. My hand to my bag.